How to paint a rainbow. Hello, it's Mrs. Rowe. Here's your learning target. I can paint a rainbow. And this is the order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. We will be using the three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, to paint our rainbow. So we're going to have to mix that orange, green, and purple, the secondary colors. First, you'll get a paper, the directions, and a rainbow. You'll also need a pencil to write your name. I can mix red, yellow, and blue, the three primary colors, to make orange, green, and purple. And I can paint a rainbow. First, you'll need to get your pencil ready to write your name. Step 1 is to write your name and class code on the back of your paper. So write your name and then your class code, which you can find on your name tag. After, you'll turn the paper over. You can use the plastic rainbow to reference the colors you'll need in order while you work. Step 2 is to dip your brush into the red paint, the first primary color and the first color in the rainbow. You're going to paint a big curved line like a frown, and don't wash your brush after. So dip your brush into the red paint and then paint a big frown line. Make sure it almost goes from one side of the paper to the other and close to the top so that you have plenty of room for the other colors underneath. Remember, don't wash your brush afterwards because it's going to help you on your next color. The next step is to dip your brush into the yellow paint, the next primary color. The red and the yellow will mix to make the second color in the rainbow. There you go. Keep dipping your brush in the yellow to make your orange more orange and also to finish that line. So you can dip your brush in the yellow as many times as you need to, especially if your orange is looking more red than orange. So now we know red plus yellow equals orange, the first secondary color and the second color in the rainbow. Step 6 is to wash your brush. Make sure you get all that red paint off your brush. Stir slowly and wipe that drip on the end of your brush on the edge of the cup. So now we have red, orange, and next is yellow, which is our second primary color. So the next step is to dip your brush into the clean yellow paint. And then you're going to paint a yellow line under the orange line, but don't wash your brush. So I'm dipping my brush in the yellow paint and then painting right under that orange, trying not to mix them together. Paint your yellow line, but remember, we're not going to wash our brush. We're going to keep that yellow on the brush to help with our next color. Now you're going to dip your yellow brush into the blue paint. So that's our third primary color. What do you think is going to happen with the yellow and the blue? You're going to paint that right under the yellow and see it mix. We have green, our second secondary color. Paint the green frown line under the yellow. Then wash your brush. Make sure to get all that green paint off your brush for your next color. Okay, so now we have red, orange, yellow, green, and the next one is blue, our third primary color. So get all that paint off the brush first. Wipe that drip. You can test to see how clean your brush is on your messy mat to make sure all that paint is off. Now dip your brush in the blue paint. You're going to paint that line right under your green line. So that same shape right underneath. Dip your brush back into the blue if you need more paint. We're almost there, just one more color after blue. Make sure that you don't wash your brush because it's going to help you on your last color. So keep that blue on your brush. If you wash it, you can dip it back in the blue. So dip it in the blue, and the last color you need to dip into the clean red paint. So dip your blue brush into the red paint for your last color. And look, it's making purple, our third secondary color and the last color in the rainbow. Sometimes purple is called violet. Paint your last color, and there's your rainbow. You're all set. Wash off that last color, and let's check to see how we did. We have red, there we have red. Orange, there's our orange. Yellow, yellow. Green, green. Blue, blue. And finally purple, purple. There you have it. You painted a rainbow. Great work. Now to clean up. You can take your water cup and bring it to the sink. Make sure you use 2 hands to carry it carefully. You're going to pick up your paint palette, and that can go in the bucket by my desk. And then you'll carry your rainbow on your messy mat, hold both ends over to the drying rack.